students. Now we are discussing the important term molecularity of a reaction in chemical kinetics. First of all, what is molecularity of a reaction? Molecularity of a reaction is equals to the total number of reactant molecules involved in the balanced stoichiometric equation. Molecularity of a reaction is equal to the total number of reactant molecules involved in the balanced stoichiometric equation. अबे हम इधर क्या पढ़ रहे हैं मॉलिक्यूलरिटी ऑफ रिएक्शन. व्हाट इज मॉलिक्यूलरिटी ऑफ रिएक्शन मीन्स जो हमको मालूम है जो रिएक्शंस में रिएक्टेंट्स रहता है वो रिएक्टेंट्स नंबर ऑफ रिएक्टेंट्स पार्टिसिपेट इन ए केमिकल रिएक्शन टोटल number of molecules is considered as a molecularity. If a reaction is taking place in more than one elementary steps, then molecularity of step must be determined separately. Next, it is a theoretical quantity and can be derived from stoichiometry of a reaction. यह अगर हम रिएक्शन में एक से ज़्यादा स्टेप्स है तो उसमें हम कंपलसरी जो रीट डिटरमाइंड स्टेप है वो कंसिडर करेगा मॉलिक्यूलरिटी ऑफ द रिएक्शन. और इधर क्या है, इट इज़ ए थ्योरेटिकल क्वांटिटी. अभी हम रिएक्शन देखते हैं वो रिएक्शन में जो स्टोइकियोमेट्रिक कोएफिशिएंट्स है वो कोएफिशिएंट का टोटल नंबर इज कंसिडर एज मॉलिक्यूलरिटी ऑफ ए रिएक्शन. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ मॉलिक्यूलरिटी reactions may be different types. The first one is a unimolecular reaction. Example, ammonium nitrate gives to nitrogen plus H2O. This is in this reaction 1 mole of ammonium nitrate here 1 mole of ammonium nitrate is participates means here unimolecular one molecule is participate in a chemical reaction. That's why it is example for unimolecular reaction. This reactions का molecularity क्या हो जाएगा इधर 1. Next Br2 gives to 2 Br radical and one more N2O4 gives to 2 NO2. It is also considered unimolecular reactions. Next, PCl5 gives to PCl3 plus Cl2. Here also PCl5 is unimolecular reaction. Next, B bimolecular reactions. Bimolecular reactions means two molecules participate in chemical reaction. Here example 2Hi gives to H2 plus I2. Here two molecules of Hi is gives to H2 plus I2. Now here one more example C12 H22 O11. Here cane sugar react with water to gives to fructose and glucose. Here also two molecules participate in a chemical reaction. It is also called bimolecular reactions. Next example, acetic acid react with alcohol gives to methyl acetate and water. In this reaction, two molecules, one is acid, one is alcohol. These two are participates in a chemical reaction. So this reaction example for bimolecular reaction. And next, see trimolecular reactions. Trimolecular reactions means in this reactions 3 moles of reactants participate. For example, 2 moles of NO react with 1 mole of oxygen to give 2 moles of NO2. In chemical balanced stoichiometric equation, 2 moles of NO plus 1 mole of O2. How many molecules participates? 3 molecules participate. So this reaction is trimolecular reaction. And one more is ferric chloride plus tin chloride gives to ferric chloride, ferrous chloride plus tin chloride, tin tetrachloride. Then here what happens? 2 moles of ferric chloride react with 1 mole of tin chloride. This is example for trimolecular reaction. And next one is 2 moles of carbon monoxide react with oxygen gives to 2 moles of carbon dioxide. In this reaction also the participates number of molecules are 3. So this is examples for trimolecular reactions. Here molecularity cannot be zero, negative, fractional, infinite and imaginary in the eliminatory process. Molecularity can't be zero, negative, fractional, infinite and imaginary in the elementary process. So here what happens here? Molecularity can't be zero. अगर molecules zero है तो there no reaction is possible. Next, molecularity can't be greater than 3 because more than 3 molecules may not mutually collide with each other. Molecularity cannot be greater than 3. This is molecularity of a reaction. They are unimolecular, bimolecular and trimolecular reactions. Molecularity can't be greater than 3. Note, if the reaction takes place in 2 or more steps, then the overall molecularity of the reaction is monitored by the slow or rate determining step. If the reaction takes place in two or more steps, then the overall molecularity of the reaction is monitored by the slow or rate determining steps. In two or three steps, then the overall molecularity of the reaction is monitored by the slow or rate determining step. अगर रिएक्शन दो और तीन से ज़्यादा है स्टेप्स, इन स्टेप्स विच इज स्लो स्टेप और रेट डिटरमाइनिंग स्टेप, that step is considered as molecularity of the reaction. For example, for example, 4 moles of HBr react with oxygen gives to 2 moles of water plus 2 moles of bromide. Mechanism: HBr plus O2 gives to HOOBr. This is slow step. HOOBr plus HBr gives to 2 moles of HOBr. This is fast step. And 2 moles of HOBr plus 2 HBr gives to 2 moles of H2O plus 2 moles of Br2. This is also fast step. Second and third fast steps, and first one is slow step. Then net reaction is HOOBr get cancelled, 2 HOBr, 2 HOBr get cancelled, remaining 4 HBr plus O2 gives to 2 H2O plus 2 Br2. Rate of above reaction, rate is equals to K into the concentration of HBr into the concentration of O2. The reaction is bimolecular. The reaction is bimolecular. Because of in this step, because of in this reaction in slow step, two molecules are participate. That's why it is considered as a molecularity of a reaction is slow step. In slow step, two molecules are participates. Next example, 2 H2O2 gives to 2 H2O plus O2. Mechanism: H2O2 gives to H2O2 gives to H2O plus H2O2 gives to H2O plus oxygen. H2O2 plus oxygen gives to water and oxygen. The above step is slow step, the below step is fast step. This is fast step. Net reaction is 2H2O2 gives to 2H2O2 gives to 2H2O plus O2. Rate is equals to K into the concentration of H2O2. The reaction is unimolecular because of in this reaction in slow step only one molecule of H2O2 is participates. So this is called unimolecular reaction. One more example, 2NO2 plus F2 gives to 2NO2F mechanism. NO2 plus F2 gives to NO2F plus F. It is slow step. NO2 plus fluorine gives to NO2 plus fluorine gives to NO2F. Net reaction 2NO2 net reaction 2NO2 plus F2 gives to 2NO2F. Rate is equals to K into the concentration of NO2 into the concentration of fluorine. The reaction is bimolecular because of in slow steps two molecules participates. The total number of molecules 2. This is called bimolecular reaction.